What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Kinfolk Cooking. I'm David. This is my brother Brian. Today, we're doing something inspired by Texas Monthly.
Yes, and I tried it the other day because I'm not going to cook something here that I had never had, and it's a walk-off home run. It's hot. We're in Texas.
Ice cream,
peaches,
bourbon glaze.
We're going to do a peach ice cream bourbon. It is a apple bourbon glaze.
Let's do it.
Okay, we have pitted two Oklahoma peaches. They are straight out of the refrigerator, nice and cold. We're going to get them, throw them on a 350-degree pit, get some nice marks, flip them, char the backside, throw them in a bowl, scoop our ice cream on, and drizzle that sweet rib glaze. Here we go. Sizzle, sizzle. All right. So at 325, these guys have been on for about 9 minutes. Flipped at 3, flipped at 6. It's about to go down. We're back. Peaches are in the cup. We're Texas. We're going Bluebell. Scoop on each, and we're going to put that apple bourbon glaze. Oh, this one's mine. I'm going to go a little bit more.
I'm back. Let's do it.
All right, come on, brother.
Cheers. Let's get in there.
Now, you can do it with the skin off. Wait, that apple bourbon hits different. That's as good. You can do it with the skin off.
That is
pro tip.
Heaven.
Grease your grates.
I got to get it.
I'm going back. Yeah.
Yeah, good stuff.
Kinfolk Cooking. Like, share, subscribe.
See you next time.